actually lucky to be here and to deliver in the front of such great dignitaries of the ONGC. Of course, the credit goes to the team Seva, led by Vipin sir and Sunil sir, for organizing such a great speech competition for kids like me to develop their hobbies as a public speaker. Getting back to the topic, contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in nation building. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contribution to nation building were multifaceted, encompassing constitutional drafting, economic policies, and social reforms. He played a crucial role in shaping the Indian Constitution, ensuring equality and justice among all the citizens. His work also extended for establishing the Reserve Bank of India and advocating for the infrastructure projects like Damodar Valley Project. There are so many contributions of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but today I'm just going to tell you some of them. The first one is he was an architect of Indian Constitution. As the chairman of the drafting committee, he shaped Indian Constitution, which includes provision of justice, equality, and fundamental rights of all citizens. Second one, he worked very hard for social reforms. He tirelessly fought against the caste discrimination, advocating for the rights of Dalits and marginalized communities. Third one, he played a crucial role in economic policies. He contributed in the establishment of the Reserve Bank of India and Finance Commission of India, and his idea of economic development influenced policies. The fourth one, advocating for the women's right. He championed women's right and worked towards the reforming Hindu's personal law for addressing discriminatory practices. Fifth and the last one, labor's reform. He played a key role in shaping labor's law in India, focusing on the health and well-being of laborers. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision for India includes democratic, equitable, and prosperous nation, and his contribution continued to shape the nation's social, economic, and political landscape. My speech is over, but I want to tell you some facts of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a polymath, mastering 64 subjects and knowing 9 languages: Hindi, English, Pali, Marathi, Gujarati, French, German, and Persian. He had completed 8 years of study in London School of Economics in just 2 years and 3 months, studying 21 hours every day. And the last one, his 20 pages of autobiography named Waiting for the Visa is used as a text in Columbia University. Thank you.